Hello my dear friends and job seekers, I have come with a great news to all of you. The Bank of India, a major public sector bank in India, has come out with 500 vacancies in two categories, one credit officers or probationary officers and IT officers. Credit officers 350 vacancies and IT officers 150 vacancies. Great opportunity. I shall tell you about the important dates. Application can be submitted from now on. You can submit the applications till 25/2/2023, February 25. The relevant date for age and qualification will be 1/2/2023, meaning age as on 1/2/2023, educational qualification as on 1/2/2023. I shall elaborate more on that as I explain to you things more. Tentative date for examinations. There is only one examination. There is no prelims and mains, only one examination. That is yet to be declared to the eligible candidates. Upon receiving applications, they shall send the details of examination and they will send the call letters. So that date is not announced. Now, what are the eligibility? Educational qualification, you got to be a degree holder. For IT officers, you got to be BTech or MCA or MSc Computer Science. Age 20 to 29, 20 to 29, 20 to 29. Generally it is 28. This is 20 to 29. So you are as on February 1, 2023. As on February 1, 2023, you must complete 20 years and you should not exceed 29 years. So for credit officers, the education qualification, as I told you, degree. There is no mark specification. You got to be a degree holder. As on February 1, 2023, you got to have a degree certificate. You got to have a mark list. You got to process the mark list as and when you submit the application. That's what they have said. So IT officers, you got to be a education qualification is a 4-year BTech, BE, and that too in computer science, computer applications, information technology, electronics and communication, electronics, communication, electronics, instrumentation. Or you got to be a graduate plus MSc Computer Science or MSc IT or MCA. Or you got to be a graduate and you should possess a B-level DAEACC certificate from the Government of India. So these are the educational qualifications. So if you come under this bracket, age bracket as well as education bracket, and if you aspire to become a banker, shoot the application as soon as possible. Now, age relaxation as per government prescription, scheduled caste, scheduled type 5 years on the upper age, and other backward class non-creamy layer 3 years. These are general information. Generally for all the examination, age relaxation is available. Now we shall move on to the selection procedure. As I told you, there will be an examination. English, reasoning and computer science, general economy and general awareness, banking awareness, general economy and banking awareness, data analysis and interpretation, and an English descriptive paper, essay and letter writing. English language 35 questions, 40 marks, 40 minutes. Reasoning and computer aptitude 45 questions, 60 marks, 60 minutes. General economy and banking awareness 40 questions, 40 marks, 35 minutes. Data analysis and interpretation 35 questions, 60 marks, 45 minutes. Essay, descriptive paper, a letter writing and essay, 2 questions will be asked and the maximum marks is 25 and 30 minutes. Now if you get into the merit list, then you will be called for an interview. 60 marks will be there for interview. You got to score minimum 40%, meaning 24 marks. That's a minimum to clear the interview. If you belong to reserved categories, you need to score only 35%. That's for the interview. So based on the performance of the examination plus interview, you will be, and of course there is a GD also, group discussion. They say that the GD will be conducted online. Now the finally selected candidates have to undergo 1-year training program in Manipal University. It's a 1-year training program. You all know Manipal University is an excellent education center, a school of a temple of education. It's a great chance to learn there. They would offer you a course called PGDBF, Postgraduate Diploma in Banking and Finance. So this is the 1-year program you will be eligible for. If you pass this 1-year program, you will be appointed as Assistant Manager in the Bank of India. During the course time, you will be eligible for a stipend of 15,000 rupees. This course is costly. You have to pay 3.5 lakh rupees as the course fee. You can pay it from your pocket, otherwise the bank will give you a loan. Now don't think that you are losing money. No, you are learning. You are learning in an excellent school. It's an opportunity, and it's a chance for you to join the bank as a knowledgeable banker. So 3.5 lakh rupees you are not losing. First, you are getting a good course. 2, the bank will reimburse the money once you complete 5 years of service in the bank. So suppose I am appearing for this examination, and if I am clearing, I can pay 3.5 lakh rupees from my pocket and study, or the bank will give me a loan of 3.5 lakhs towards a course. I can join, I can study. Once I am selected, once I clear this course, of course 100% clearance, all the people will pass, then you will be posted as Assistant Manager in the bank. And once I complete my 5 years of service in the bank will return that money to you. 3.5 lakh rupees will be given to you if you are paying the course fee from your pocket. If the bank is giving you as a loan, the bank will close the loan for you. So meaning you are getting a chance to study in an excellent school of school of excellence. 2, you are getting a job at 0 cost. So it's a great chance. Now people used to ask me, sir, is it an inferior course, or is it an inferior way of selecting, getting selected to the bank? No. My answer is a firm no. For the past 12-13 years, all banks, public sector banks as well as major private banks, have been following this particular alternate route of selecting bankers. One way, of course, IBPS selection. You get a chance, IBPS examinations will be announced in the second half of the year. You can apply, you can prepare for the examination, you can write the examination. Once you are selected, you will be posted as a probationary officer. Your probation will be for 2 years. On successful completion of your probation, you will be appointed as an assistant manager after 2 years. In this route, you have to go for a course. Once you complete the course, after 1 year, you will be directly selected as an assistant manager. So you are saving 1 year. That's another chance. You are saving 1 year. 2, there is no difference between the general stream probationary officers and the Manipal stream probationary officers. I would say that the Manipal stream probationary officers will be given an additional advantage. They stand to get an additional advantage since they are attending a professional course. So it's a great chance. No way is it inferior. Please do not ask such questions. Straight away start the preparation. I expect that the examination would come after 2 months time. So it could be in the month of April. That is my gut feeling. Generally that is the case. They will give you 2 months time. So straight away start the preparation. It's a great chance to all of you. So I hope that you would shoot the application as soon as possible. The last date of submitting the application is February 25, 2023. Do not wait till the last moment. Straight away start your preparation. May God bless.